Hello soulmate, let's make this twisted underbust gown with mesh fabric. If you're just following me, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Here we needed our pattern, our pin, our scarf rope, sellotape and tape rope. So let's get started. I come down by 3 inches from my regular neckline to give me a V-shaped neckline and then cut it out. We needed slash and spread method to get this particular style. So here I am coming down from my armhole by 5 inches. I'll divide my shoulder by 2. The next point I'm going to come up from my half length by 2 inches. And this is the point I'm going to draw my slash line where the fullness will be added for the gathering or the ruches. I will go ahead and connect to the point which I mark out. Remember, the more you slash, the more fullness your dress become. But I'm making use of a little fabric for this. So I'm not going to give it that full slashing. Then I will go ahead and cut it out as seen. You can watch closely how I'm cutting it. Now you can see how nice the cutting is. The next thing now, I'll transfer it to the next pattern paper and count out 3 pieces from the down part and then cut it out. You can see how I place it on the paper. Now I will go ahead and give it 2-inch space. You can give it more if you have enough fabric, but this I'm making use of a little fabric for this. Now I'll give it 2-inch space in between. Flip this over as well and make sure I give it 2-inch space just the way I'm doing this right here. And also make sure the tips are aligned together just the way you are seeing it. Then I went ahead and used my French cuff to connect all the lines together just the way you see me doing. Then cut it out as seen. And then I properly labeled the pattern to eliminate the confusion. Here I place it right on my fabric and I make sure I pin it down because it is meshed and you know it acts funny sometimes. Also make sure I notch the part I marked out on my pattern paper. Right now I'll take it to my sewing machine and I will sew all the way from the beginning. I'll leave at least 1 inch, as you can see. Yeah, you can see it's coming out gradually. I will go ahead and turn my fabric and then go ahead and insert the other side of it, just the way you see me doing. Then take it to my machine and sew it very closely to the open. Now here it is after sewing it. You can see how beautiful it is. Then I will pick up the part I notch and then sew a little bit. So here is the final outcome. Thank you for watching. Bye.